Hello dear students, I am Anurag Rai. Today I am going to explain the second chapter of Special English Class 10th MP Board. The name of the chapter is The Happy Prince, written by Oscar Wilde. It is the story of a statue of a happy prince who was once alive. His statue was adorned with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes, there were two beautiful sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed in his sword hilt. The statue was really very beautiful, and all the people of the city admired him a lot. Once, a little bird swallow came to the city. He came to the statue of the happy prince seeking shelter to stay for one night. The bird, the swallow, saw happy prince weeping. He asked the happy prince the reason why he was weeping. The happy prince told him that when he was alive, he lived in the palace of Sans-Souci. He lived a life of joy, happiness, luxury and comfort. In the evening, the happy prince used to play with his friends. The happy prince did not go beyond the tall boundaries, beyond the tall walls of the fort, and so he did not knew the miseries and sufferings of his people. But upon his death, his statue was set up at a high column in the town, from where he could see all the sufferings, miseries, and all the poverty of his people. So he was weeping. The happy prince told the swallow that he wanted to compensate the ignorance of his people. When he was alive, he did not want to know how his people were. But after his death, he saw a lot of sufferings and miseries of his people. Now he wanted to compensate his ignorance of his people, and he wanted to give away his precious gems and all of his gold to the poor and the needy. So he requested the bird to pluck the large red ruby and give it to a poor seamstress who did not have any money to feed her ailing children. The little bird swallow took pity on the happy prince. He complied the order of the happy prince and plucked out the large red ruby from the sword hilt of the happy prince and went to the poor seamstress. He saw his little son was lying ill with fever. He was asking for oranges, but the poor seamstress did not have anything to give him except river water. The swallow gave the ruby to the seamstress and returned to the statue of the happy prince. Then again happy prince requested the swallow to give one of his eyes, which was made of a bright sapphire, to a poor playwright who was hungry and cold and was trying to complete a play. But the poor playwright did not have any money to make fire. The swallow took the sapphire from the eye of the happy prince and went to the poor playwright and gave it to him. Then he returned to the statue of the happy prince. Once more, the happy prince requested the swallow to take the another eye and give it to a poor little match girl who had by mistake dropped her match box into a gutter and who was being beaten by her father. So the happy prince requested him to take his another eye and give it to the poor girl. But the swallow did not agree. He said that he would go totally blind if he plugged his another eye. But the happy prince insisted him to do so. So, with heavy heart, the little bird swallow complied his order and taking away his another eye, swooped down past the little girl and dropped the sapphire onto the palm of the little girl and returned to the statue of the happy prince. Now the swallow told the happy prince that he would not go anywhere and he wanted to live with the happy prince forever because he was now totally blind. The happy prince wanted him to go away. The happy prince requested him to go to Egypt because the winter season was likely to come and swallows cannot bear bitter cold. But the swallow did not leave happy prince and stayed there. After some time, snowfall started and bitter cold started. The poor little bird swallow grew older, pale and faint. Eventually he died at the feet of the statue of the happy prince. Just at the moment, a curious sound, a curious crack sounded inside the statue of the happy prince. It was, in fact, the heart of the happy prince, which was broken because the swallow died. So the next day, when the mayor of the city and the town councillors saw the statue, they were shocked because the statue was looking very ugly, because there were no precious gems and also the gold was no more there. So the mayor and town councillors pulled down the statue of the happy prince and melted it in a furnace. But the broken leaden heart did not melt. So the mayor and the town councillors threw the broken leaden heart on a dust heap where the little bird swallow was also lying dead. In the heaven, the god ordered one of his angels to bring two most beautiful things from the earth. The angel came to the earth and brought the broken leaden heart and the dead swallow to the god. The god admired the angel and said that she had taken the right things that the god wanted. So this was the story, dear students, and I will soon send you the questions and answers of the story. If you liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel Anurag Rai English Tutor.